Here they come. Scramble over the boulders.
The mud is very vicious.
It is, it gets everywhere.
Keep getting stuck.
Trying to avoid putting your hands in it.
Yeah.
Hey Jan, I've just noticed you're not wearing gloves.
Yeah, I did. I forgot to put them back on. They're in my pocket.
You always wear gloves. Loads of gloves on.
There you go.
Bit of a hanging wall here, look.
Oh yes.
Pretty small one.
Yeah.
And a cool mob.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah. And a bit of fuse.
Nice. Let's go and explore that WINZES.
Yeah, it was down here on the left somewhere, wasn't it?
That's it, yeah. You get stuck in this mud.
Hanging onto my boot.
It's like one on.
Rubbing it on your skin, I bet it's really good for it. You'll have smooth skin. My boot is stuck. So we have a flooded WINZES in here. Or two, I think. I can't remember.
There was one that didn't go, we could see that it didn't go anywhere, but there was another one that did.
Right. Oh, here we go. Here's one.
Is it a good looking one?
No. There's one there. And I think the other good one, or the good looking one, is here. Yes, there it is.
Yeah.
There it is. Let's go and check it out.
Let's do it.
What have you found, Lars?
I'm not sure. In the water there, are they dynamite boxes? Can you see them, or is it just blocks of wood?
Oh, I see, yeah. I think they're just blocks of wood.
Oh, well.
I think, yeah. But no, I see what you mean. They're
very square.
very square, yeah.
Let's get the ROV in this. Look
So
at
yeah,
this.
this is it.
Oh, there's
And it
something
goes that
there.
way. Oh yeah, there's a metallic object. And we'll stand on this nice little false floor here, and we can lower it down from there.
And down here it's going. Wow.
I've got a clear shot at it here.
Look at that. Who's gonna stand on the false floor and lower it in?
Yeah, and your lightest.
Oh shucks, I'll do it.
Yeah, let's get it set up then. There it is.
Right, WINZES number 1.
And down we go.
Onwards and downwards.
Right, what's going on here?
You're recording the sound, John.
Oh no, I'm not. Okay,
So here we go.
here we go.
Off we go. Down, face it down. Look at that.
Wow. What blue waters?
Tether's caught you.
Oh yeah, I'm sitting on it, that's right.
So, it looks like it's got a couple of like stalls here.
Yeah. Does it go the other way at all, or is it only...
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look around.
Spin it round.
Yeah, so we're against the end of the stope here.
Oh.
So that's the collapse behind us, isn't it, that we were
Yes.
looking at? Yeah, okay. So down there
That
then.
makes sense. Down we go.
Down we go. That's alright.
This
Really?
level is don't collapse all the way. That huge
Oh, yeah.
collapse.
Oh yeah.
Huge collapse.
Wow. Down there? Ah,
There's a hanging wall there.
yes.
Big wall.
Look at that. Goes, it's a stope kind of goes round the corner.
Yes.
And that's a wall.
That's it.
Does it go down?
No. Unfortunately,
Oh.
it's all blocked over there. I bet it goes along there.
Yeah, let's look down. Down, down, down. Oh,
That's the end.
that's it.
The iron.
Oh yeah. No tools, no artifacts in this one.
No. But no worries, it was fun.
There's only one way to find out.
Get in there.
It's just so cool to see it though, like the colours in the water.
Yeah, that's our way up.
Yeah.
Very narrow.
Yeah, these are old workings.
Oh, right.
These are quite old, I think. Just look, well, I'd say mid to late 1700s. They look quite old. They have that look about them.
Look at the timbers here.
Wow. Whoo.
Them, Lois.
Wow, look at those.
I can see it coming back to the surface.
Can you really?
It's gone again now. It's gone underneath.
I saw a glimpse of light.
Us, I think now.
Yeah, oh, look at it all collapsed there. That's a shame.
Yeah, that's what's stopping it, isn't it?
There.
Yeah.
There's another.
There it is.
Here it comes.
I can see
Here
it.
comes.
Can you see us?
Let's have a look.
Hey!
There we are, folks. At first, before I come up.
So from the top, from the bottom.
Yeah. Have a look over this ledge here. Look, this looks interesting.
Oh, what's going on there?
Go somewhere. Look.
Oh,
What does it? Oh, it goes
another collapse.
We're underneath us.
Yeah. So if we look up, can you see the false floor that we're sitting on? If you want to.
No.
Yeah, these are old workings.
So bumped it then. So we're sat there. We're not quite on the false floor.
No,
are
not
we?
quite.
Oh yes, we are. Look, there's the false
Oh
floor.
yeah, that's what we're standing
Yeah, all
on.
three of us.
How about that?
So how about that, folks?
So yeah, so down there is where we were looking just now, isn't it? Yeah.
So it's not worth putting it down.
So no,
So back there, way back, I think there was another.
there
floor.
was another one. Yeah, there was
Yeah.
definitely another one. Yeah.
Should we go and look at it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's get out here.
Hope that the false floor holds.
There's quite a lot of timbers on this false floor.
There is.
It's upside down.
There we go.
There we go.
And the world returns to normality.
It's there. That's a shame.
Yeah, that's what's
See all
stopping
the
it, isn't it?
stalls there.
Yeah.
There's another.
There it is.
Here it comes.
I can see
Here it
it.
comes.
Can you see us?
Let's have a look.
Hey!
There we are. There we are, folks. At first, before I come up.
So from the top, from the bottom.
Yeah.
Appearing for the first time today, it's Al.
Second time.
Oh, second time, yeah, I beg your pardon, yeah. Normally the one behind the camera.
That was cool. Very
How about
short,
that then?
Very short it was, but it was so cool though.
Really
See what
amazing.
we'd never ever see, really.
Yeah.
You know?
Even if these WINZES don't go very far, it's still information, isn't it?
Followed the load down there, didn't they?
Yeah, they did, yeah. And they could well have pinched out with depth,
Right.
as they so often did. Here's a little clay joint running along up there.
The lovely wall of dead.
Yeah. Oh, that side. Yeah. Yeah.
Very nice.
So you reckon there's another WINZES down this way?
From what I remember from when we were here last,
Yeah.
there was the wings straight on the load system.
Okay. Let's go try it.
I thought it was just over to the left there.
Over there. Down there.
And then we got the amazing one.
Then we've got the big one, the main haulage way. Yeah, absolutely. That's going to be good. So we're saving the best till last.
We do.
Unless we find a pot of Roman gold at the bottom of this one. So we're still looking for the WINZES. Yeah, I do have a faint memory actually. There was one down here.
Look at that.
What's that? Where was that now? I do remember.
Remember the museum, mine? We found a saw in there.
Oh yeah, we did, didn't we?
Giant teeth on it.
Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, that timber's worn.
Yeah. I'd completely forgotten about the saw.
Oh look, they started a level.
Ooh, is that a door frame on it? The remains of a door frame. Do you know what this is?
Yeah, just thinking.
It's an underground powder store, isn't it?
Yep.
Like we've seen in the wheelbarrow mine.
Yes.
Yeah.
And look, old bottle, old beer bottle,
Yeah.
all smashed.
Wow.
Yeah, that's.
So yeah, it's an underground powder or explosive dynamite store.
God knows what's underneath that.
Whoa. Look at that up there.
There could be goodies under there.
They could, couldn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yes, look.
They've stoked that out of their old way. There's a stall up there. A bit of it working.
That saw we found is very. That isn't a saw, but it does look.
It just looks like it, doesn't it? Yeah.
One, but that one we found in the museum, mine was amazing.
I completely forgot about it. Ah, here we go.
We found it.
Here's a WINZES.
Ah. Does it go anywhere?
Yeah, it goes sideways.
Ah.
Yeah. Yeah, let's try it. It goes down that way. And there's another little bit over there. And then that's the collapse, we can't go any further. So yeah, let's try it. These are scraping plates, I think. These big sheets of iron. They would have laid these flat on the ground in order to shovel off of. It was easier to shovel or to scrape on something rather than just the rock floor. So they would have laid those when they were blasting at the face. All the debris would fall onto them and then they'd be able to bail from there into the wagons standing on the tramway. So the stuff that was brought down from this stope here in this case. Al's inspecting the WINZES.
And it goes that way and down.
Awesome.
Let's get this in there.
Let's get it down.
Press record.
Okay, we're rolling on all fronts.
Unlock it. Just press that button there.
Oh yeah.
Puts it into action.
Oh okay.
And then pull a wheelie.
ROV really. Love it.
So
yeah.
Puts it into action.
Oh okay.
And then pull a wheelie.
ROV really. Love it.
So wow. Let's go forwards then.
Okay.
There's an old track there, piece of an old track.
Oh yeah, so there is.
Where does it go? Oh.
Oh, is that it?
Collapse.
Oh.
It goes to a collapse. It does go down.
Oh.
But it's full.
Round the corner? It's on the right.
Oh, pull it back, pull it back.
Ah. Oh no.
It's the whole, all the WINZES are collapsed.
They've all been filled in, haven't they?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Either collapsed or
I'll
backfilled.
spin it round now. Try to. It's very
Ah, I see.
Here's our head torches.
There
Here's us.
you go.
Let's
It's
have a
always good to
underneath.
look at life with two different angles.
Yeah, so that was a very short one, that was, folks.
Yeah. We'll go and do the big one now then, shall we?
Absolutely. It's kind of stuck, I think.
No, it's coming.
There it is.
Any second now.
There it is.